Hello, I'm Dennis Howard, host of The Track. Today we're here with Vinay, Shet, the CEO of Teleo, and we're going to talk about supervised autonomy.
Teleo builds this amazing technology that lets us retrofit machines, no matter what kind of machines they are, whether they are wheel loaders, they are trucks, they are ADTs, or they are dozers, and we turn them into supervised autonomous machines. Our customers' operators not be in the cab of the machine, but be sitting at a comfortable control station. And from this control station, they can run the machines remotely, but also in some situations, put the machine in autonomous mode. A single person can operate a machine far away, put the machine in autonomous mode, and then switch to a second machine and run the machine at the same time.
And this machine, we'll get over here closer to it, there's nobody in it.
There's nobody in it.
Nobody in that machine.
Yep.
So it is out here running.
This machine right now is connected to a person sitting in the booth. They are in teleoperations mode, where they're picking up the dirt and they're working with the machine. But shortly after, now the machine is in autonomous mode, where the machine is doing all of what you're seeing right now autonomously, backing up, and it's going towards its destination, which is the other end of this arena. And once it gets there, in an instant, the operator jumps back in the machine remotely, and now he's going to empty his bucket and is going to finish the cycle. And the transition is instantaneous between autonomy and person jumping in.
Yeah, in a load and carry, especially a long load and carry application, this would be very helpful.
Yes, exactly. So the machine could just tram for like a mile or more by itself, and while it's tramming, the person switches to a second machine and can do all of the actual digging work at that point.
That is amazing. So can we go see the operator?
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's go see what he's doing over here.
So what you're seeing here is a very comfortable operator station. This is a very ergonomically designed chair that lets the operator sit comfortably. Joysticks to let the operator control the machine very nicely. We also have pedals in case you're operating a wheel loader or you're operating a truck. What they're seeing on the screen is a composite of multiple cameras which is placed all around the machine. So if you look carefully, you will see that there are no blind spots, right? The operator has a complete visibility around the machine, whether it's behind the machine, to the side of the machine, they can see everywhere. They can even see under the bucket. So when they lift the bucket up, your view would be blocked, but here they can actually see under the bucket and have a clear view of what's in front of them.
Oh, wow.
They can also see all the numbers like the speed, how fast the machine is going, how many G-forces the machine is experiencing, and so on.
So now I see a bunch of yellow squares up there around the people.
Yes.
So that is more technology you have.
That is correct. So the machine is also able to see objects around it. It can see people, it can see other machines around it, and it knows, it's aware of its surroundings and can come to a stop should something come in its way.
Okay.
You can also see out here on the left screen analytics. So the operator can see how many cycles they have completed. And for every cycle, how fast did the machine go? How far it traveled, how long the cycle took. So all of the statistics are captured right there for them to see.
That is amazing. And no operator fatigue like you would, like if he was out there driving that, the other day he's worn out.
That's right.
This is just like almost a video game.
Right.
Yeah.
So we are in Las Vegas right now. California is hundreds of miles away from us, and he has taken over 2 machines in California, and those machines are on 2 different sites. They're not on the same site.
Okay.
At the bottom there you see 2 tabs.
Yes.
Those are like the tabs on your browser.
Okay.
So you can tab between machines.
Okay.
And the switching between machines is instantaneous. You as a customer and you as an administrator also need to have visibility into how your operations are running. For that, we have built this tool called Teleo Insight. And this is a cloud-based tool that you can see on your desktop or on your phone. And this lets you see the video pretty much in real time. You also see analytics. All the statistics you saw out there, you also get to see here as well. And you get data like how much dirt was moved, how many cycles were moved, and so on, including a GPS trace of where the machine has been.
So I could be at the office and have machines running all over the country, and I could monitor them not only live, but I could also at the end of every day look at all the production and everything. That's very good. Very good technology. Yeah, you got some great stuff here.
I know.
Well, thank you very much. I really appreciate the time.
Thanks so much.
Thank you. Hey, I'm Dennis Howard. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on social media. See you soon.